Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home, no calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Dyson SV11 from the charging dock to ensure safety during the process. Next, locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. You will see a small panel secured by 2 Phillips screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the panel off to expose the battery. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment with your soft cloth. This will help maintain the vacuum's performance. Now you will see the battery connected to the vacuum. There are 2 additional screws holding the battery in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver again to remove these screws. If you find it difficult to reach, a flathead screwdriver can help pry the battery slightly for easier access. With the screws removed, carefully disconnect the battery from the connector. Make sure to pull it straight out to avoid damaging any wires. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Now, take your new compatible battery and align it with the connector. Push it in gently until it clicks into place. Secure the battery with the screws you previously removed. Make sure they are tightened properly, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could damage the battery or the vacuum. After securing the battery, replace the panel by aligning it back into position. Reinsert the 2 Phillips screws to secure the panel. Again, ensure they are snug but not overly tight. Finally, give your Dyson SV11 a quick wipe down to remove any fingerprints or dust from the exterior. Plug the vacuum back into the charging dock and allow it to charge fully before using it again. If you encounter any issues during this process or prefer to have a professional handle it, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service at your convenience. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the battery on your Dyson SV11. Enjoy your vacuum's renewed power and efficiency. Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home, no calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.